Seniors, if you have been struggling with dry, itchy, or burning eyes, and it feels like no matter what drops or glasses you try, nothing seems to bring lasting relief, then you are not alone. Millions of seniors experience dry eyes every single day, and it can make reading your newspaper harder, enjoying your favorite TV show frustrating, and even driving dangerous. But here is the part that will give you hope. Nature has given us four powerful seeds that can help soothe dry eyes, restore natural moisture, and even protect your vision from further damage. If you stay with me to the end of this video, you will discover exactly which four seeds they are, how to use them in your daily life, and why they work. And I want you to comment as you watch. Have you tried any natural remedies for your eyes before? Do you have a story about how your vision has changed over the years? Let me know down below, because your story can help another senior who is watching this right now. Now let me share something very personal. My neighbor, Mrs. Parker, is 72 years old, and one day she came to me almost in tears. She said her eyes felt like sandpaper. She could not even look at her grandchildren without blinking rapidly, because her vision would blur. She told me she felt embarrassed, because during church service she had to constantly rub her eyes and people kept asking if she was crying. She was not crying. She was simply battling dry eyes. But then something changed when she added certain seeds into her diet. Within a few weeks, she noticed her eyes felt smoother, less irritated, and she could read her Bible again without stopping every few minutes. That is when I knew I had to share this with you. And I want you to comment right now if you have ever experienced that same burning or sandy feeling in your eyes. Just type yes or no so we can see how many people are going through this together. The truth is, dry eyes are not just about discomfort. They are about quality of life. Imagine wanting to enjoy a good book, but giving up after 10 minutes because your eyes sting. Imagine driving at night, but pulling over because the glare from headlights feels unbearable. Seniors deserve better. And science shows that certain seeds contain powerful oils, antioxidants, and nutrients that keep the eyes moist and the tear film healthy. Tears are not just water. They are made of layers of oil, mucus, and water that protect and nourish your eyes. When this delicate balance is broken, you get dry eye syndrome, and that is where these seeds come in. So let us dive into the first one. The first seed is flaxseed. Tiny but mighty. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation in the eyes and supports the oily layer of your tears, which prevents them from evaporating too quickly. Think of it as adding a protective shield that keeps your eyes hydrated for longer. I remember one senior gentleman named Robert who added a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to his oatmeal every morning. After 2 months, he said he could finally watch a 2-hour movie without reaching for his eye drops. That is the power of flaxseed. Seniors, I want you to comment if you have ever used flaxseed before, maybe in smoothies or cereals. Let us see how many of you are already enjoying this natural eye protector. The second seed is chia seed. You probably have seen them in puddings or sprinkled over yogurt. These little black and white seeds are another omega-3 powerhouse. But here is what makes them special. They are loaded with antioxidants and fiber too. Antioxidants protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of eye aging and dryness. Chia seeds also absorb liquid and create a soothing gel-like texture when soaked. Some people call it nature's hydration capsule. I met a retired teacher named Linda who started making chia pudding 3 times a week. She told me she felt like her eyes were not as scratchy, and she could even wear her contact lenses again for short periods without discomfort. Seniors, I want you to share in the comments if you like chia seeds and how you use them. Maybe you make pudding or mix them into lemonade. Let us trade recipes together. The third seed that fights dry eyes is sunflower seeds. These golden seeds are full of vitamin E and zinc to nutrients that play a key role in eye health. Vitamin E acts like a shield protecting your eye tissues from damage, while zinc helps vitamin A do its job of maintaining a clear cornea. Sunflower seeds also contain healthy fats that support tear production. A friend of mine named Harold started carrying a small bag of roasted sunflower seeds in his pocket instead of candy. Within weeks, he told me, he not only enjoyed the crunchy snack, but also felt his eyes were less irritated in the afternoons when he read. That is the beauty of sunflower seeds. So seniors, tell me in the comments, do you enjoy sunflower seeds roasted or raw? Let us see which team is bigger. And now, the fourth seed may surprise you. It is pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, magnesium, and plant-based omega-3. Zinc is especially critical because it helps transport vitamin A to the retina, where it creates protective pigments. Without enough zinc, the eyes can dry out quickly, and even night vision can suffer. Pumpkin seeds also help regulate blood sugar, which is important because diabetes can worsen dry eye problems. I once spoke with a woman named Teresa who made pumpkin seed trail mix with raisins and walnuts. She said it was her go-to snack during afternoon walks, and she felt her eyes were much more comfortable, especially in windy weather. Seniors, let me know in the comments if you like pumpkin seeds. Do you roast them at home or buy them ready to eat? Now you know the 4 seeds: flax, chia, sunflower, and pumpkin. But how do you actually use them? In a simple way, daily I always suggest seniors start small. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed on your morning oatmeal. You can stir chia seeds into a glass of water and let them swell for 10 minutes to create a refreshing drink. You can keep sunflower seeds in your purse or pocket for a quick snack. And you can roast pumpkin seeds lightly with a touch of cinnamon for a tasty treat. Small steps lead to big results. Seniors, comment below which of these 4 seeds you are most excited to try first. But let us go deeper into why these seeds matter so much. When we age, the oil glands in our eyelids often shrink or become blocked. These glands produce the oily layer of our tears. Without enough oil, tears evaporate too quickly and the eyes feel dry. Omega-3 fatty acids in seeds nourish these glands and keep the oil flowing smoothly. At the same time, antioxidants in seeds protect the delicate cells of the eye from being damaged by free radicals. It is like giving your eyes a fresh coat of protection every day. I also want to stress this. Seeds are not magic bullets. They work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Staying hydrated, drinking enough water, avoiding too much screen time, and wearing sunglasses on windy days all play a part. But seeds give your body the raw materials it needs to heal and protect. Seniors, in the comments, I want you to share your best eye care habit. Do you drink water regularly? Do you wear sunglasses? Let us all learn from each other. One of the most touching stories I heard was from a couple named George and Mary. George was 78, and his biggest joy was bird watching with his wife. But his dry eyes got so bad he told me he could not even focus his binoculars without tears rolling down his cheeks. Mary started adding a blend of flax and pumpkin seeds into their morning smoothies. After a few weeks, George said he could once again spot his favorite red cardinal in the backyard. He said it was like being given a second chance to enjoy life's small beauties. Seniors comment if you relate to this feeling. Have you ever had your vision limit the hobbies you love? Another important note. If you take blood thinners or other medications, always check with your doctor before adding large amounts of seeds to your diet. Most people are fine, but it is always better to be safe. Seniors, I want to know in the comments, do you usually check with your doctor before trying new foods, or do you prefer to experiment first? Now, imagine this. You wake up in the morning, your eyes feel clear, your vision feels smooth, and you no longer dread reading small print or using your phone. All because you added these for seeds into your routine. Flax for soothing inflammation, chia for deep hydration, sunflower for antioxidant power, and pumpkin for zinc and strength. Together, they form a natural shield for your eyes. Seniors, comment below if you are willing to try this for seed challenge for the next 30 days. Just type I am in and let us create a wave of healing together. I know many of you are watching with hope, but also doubt. You may be thinking, I have tried everything, nothing works. But remember, seeds are not synthetic chemicals. They are food your body recognizes and uses in a natural way. Healing takes time, but it is possible. Just like Mrs. Parker, who now proudly reads stories to her grandkids without rubbing her eyes. Or George, who sees his red cardinal again. You can be next. So seniors, will you give yourself that chance? Comment your answer right now. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend or a family member who also struggles with dry eyes. You never know how much relief they might find from this simple advice. Seeds are affordable, available, and safe. But their impact on eye comfort and vision can be life-changing. Seniors, these for seeds can fight dry eyes and help keep your vision clear naturally. It is not just about the eyes, it is about living your golden years with confidence, clarity, and joy. So do not wait, start today and let your journey toward brighter, clearer, more comfortable vision begin. And do not forget to comment below your experiences, because your words may be the encouragement another senior needs tonight.